Hello everyone. One of Finty's unique features is that it lets you keep clients informed about their device's repair progress and account statement through text message and WhatsApp. To update clients on their device's repair status, go to the Repair Shop Management menu and select any of these services. Choose the client and click on this icon. To send a text message, click on this option, and to send a message via WhatsApp, click on this option. Sending messages through WhatsApp is free. Just make sure the client's number is saved in your phone. The message includes details about the device along with a dynamic link. The client can check this link to view their device's repair status, and when the repair technician updates the status, the client can see the latest information. To inform clients about their account statement, go to the Financial Management menu and select the Statement service. Choose the client, click on the Info icon, and select Send Client Statement via text message. This message will contain a link to their statement. And that's it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.